Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I'm Bill the Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we make fun, delicious, and easy cocktails. And we show you how to do it so that you can make them at home too. Today's cocktail actually comes to us from a valley up in Vermont. There's a small custom distillery up there called Mad River Distillery, and they made a cocktail, and I thought it sounded really interesting, so that's what we're making today. It's got a combination of flavors to it. It's a bourbon-based cocktail, and to go with that bourbon is one of those nice, refreshing, early spring, summer fruits. We're gonna have some peach in there, a little bit of lemon juice to make it tart and bright, and of course some pineapple to sweeten it up and give it a whole nother layer in there. If this sounds like something that you'd like, come on back behind the bar and let's get pouring today's cocktail, the Burnt Peach. Our first ingredient in there is freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. I'm going to follow that up with pineapple juice, and once again, 1/2 of an ounce. Now, the interesting thing about this cocktail is it's called the Burnt Peach, and there is nothing burnt about the peaches in here, so don't let that scare you. The distillery, the bourbon that they use is actually called Burnt River, and that is referring to a hiking trail that the bourbon is named after. This is a peach syrup that we're putting in there. It's equal parts of sugar and water, and then what we do is we take some peaches, we roast them in the oven, we add some maple syrup to it, and then once those are nice and cooked down, we add those to the syrup and simmer that for a little while. That gives us a absolutely wonderful peach flavor to it. We're going to put in 1/2 of an ounce. Now, if you didn't get all the notes on that, check in the description. We're actually going to have that recipe in the description for you. So 1 ounce of that peach syrup going in there. The last thing that we've got going in our glass now is bourbon. Now, we don't have the Burnt River bourbon that they've got. They do have a tasting room up in Vermont. I believe there's one in Montpelier. And you can actually go in there and you can buy that bourbon. So today we're suffering through with one of our favorites around here, and that's Woodford. And we're going to use 2 ounces in there. Got a beautiful golden color to that, kind of like a peach. And now we're going to ice this up, and we're going to get it nice and chilled. Slap the top on that, and a good 10 to 15 second shake is what it's going to take to get it cold. You're going to start to feel that tin condense, and you're going to see that condensation on there. We know it's cold. We're coming to the home stretch and we're getting ready to pour. We're going to take our glass. We're going to fill that up. We're using a rocks glass. Fill that up with ice. Grab our strainer. And simply pour. Got some really nice aromas going on in there. Now we're going to leave a little bit on the top because we do have one last ingredient on there, and that is some seltzer water. We're going to add a little bit of fizz to help it refresh. This could be a great summer cocktail for you. It's a great sipper. Put a little bit of effervescence on there to make it refreshing. And the only thing we need to do now is garnish it. And for that, I'm going to use a sprig of rosemary. Now they also say that you can use some thyme, but rosemary around here is one of our favorites. So if you drop that in there, there you go. That's the Burnt Peach. Let's give it a taste and see how we like it. Oh. The nice thing about bourbon is it pairs so well with all kinds of different fruit, and that peach flavor comes through there nice and soft, sweet. You've got that nice, easy bourbon going on in there. You've got the pineapple that adds a little bit of a twist to it. This one is, I think you're really going to enjoy it. The flavors all in here blend wonderfully, and I think it's something that you're going to find is a very enjoyable sipper Whether you're sitting around the house, sitting on the porch, sitting by the fire. Cheers, everyone.